My story might well seem the story of a simple metal object, but to be honest, getting built was anything but simple. Every component, every piece of which I made from the largest to the tiniest was selected, worked, cut, folded, shaped, cropped and then folded once more until achieving the perfect shape. And to do this, state-of-the-art technology, expert skills and great experience were essential, as well as of course the very best raw materials. Not to mention every one of my finishes, each handmade, one by one, down to the most imperceptible of details. And for a metal object like me, aesthetics are naturally important, but that's not all. As well as being beautiful, practical and ergonomic, I need to be exceptionally solid, resistant to wear over time, and to the most extreme conditions of use, so that those who use me can count on me and operate in absolute safety at all times. Because being useful and reliable is a big responsibility, and I want to do my best to live up to the expectations of those who design me and of those who will purchase me. In short, to build me took a lot of work. It took ideas, imagination, people who know how to do their job, and hours of meetings discussing every single detail, however small. Because every detail counts. It's only by insisting on the best efforts and care from start to finish you can really make a difference. Where I come from, this is what we do. Dedication, professionalism, and passion. Our values spring from here, from the men and women who shaped me, before my journey far and wide spanning the world, in the name of Conf Industries. In the end, it's true. We are but simple metal objects, ones like many others. Just like me, 100,000 and more born here every year. All unique, all different. What makes us special is our history and the very reason we were created. To improve people's work and lives. Simple, wouldn't you say?